Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Ford Focus gas tank, only ways. Start inside the car by unlocking doors, then find the fuel door release lever under the dashboard or the button on the driver door panel. Pull or press it firmly. Walk to the fuel door, press the center or lift the edge to open, and remove the cap carefully. If it does not open, try unlocking again before forcing anything and consult a mechanic. Sometimes the fuel door won't open because the interior release is faulty or the latch is frozen, and you can often diagnose without tools. Start by checking if the car is fully unlocked and try the release several times while a helper watches the door. If the actuator clicks but the door stays closed, gently pry the edge with a plastic trim tool to avoid paint damage. If unsure, seek professional help. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for cleaning up garage grit and spilled fuel smells after working on cars, with voice control and smart navigation. I love its convenience for workshop floors and tight corners. Also check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Regular maintenance keeps the fuel door working and prevents emergency situations, so lubricate the latch lightly every few months and keep the area clean. Open and close the door gently to avoid bending the hinge, and avoid slamming the car doors, which can misalign mechanisms. If you park in cold climates, use a de-icer or gently warm the latch area before operating to prevent frozen seals and stuck doors, and check seals often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.